Hello guys, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are welcome. My name is Glambyizie. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in Nigeria. For today's look, my other video that I put up, I tried out this Zaron eyeshadow palette. So I basically want to do another look, another colorful look this time around with this palette. So let's just see. Stick around to see what look I'll be creating with this. I'll be using my MacBook eyeshadow. I'll pick up this orange shade here. I'll be using that as my transition color. Another orange shade. Flame. It's a burgundy shade. Now just buff that on the outer part. I'll pick up the black shade. Now put that in the inner corner and the outer corner. I'm gonna blend it out, but I'm just packing it in first. So cut out the middle part. I'll go back in with the same eyeshadow primer, and I'll be using a flat brush. I'll just concentrate on the middle part first. For people like me with folded crease, you have to open your eyes to know where you would cut. Basically, this is it, and I'm trying to make this part neat. Jesus Christ, like the pigmentation is out, like out of this world, like out of space. I have to blend the, you know, a black end on the side. The fallout is not much, it's just very little fallout, which is good. Marykay primer, face primer. And I'll be taking this quantity. Flawless Ivy foundation, oil free foundation. It's actually a Nigerian owned brand and it's quite cheap. I got this for 2,500. So I'm just gonna pump. It dries down matte fast, so you have to work in sections, and you know, before you move to the next section. Just lightly, since this part is gonna be covered, but LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I'll be using this Novan blending sponge. It's actually wet. You have to make sure you blend your concealer very well. If not, by the time you apply powder on it, it's gonna show through that something is not blended. A light shade, I'm just gonna press it in. Just pressing it in. Get to the inner corner as well. And for my contour, I'll pick something that is a shade darker. I did not use concealer to contour. I'm just going in with powder straight up. Powder contour. Adventure makeup brush. Like the shade I'm using is not, it's just a shade darker, so it's not too intense. Then the rest of my face, Zaron lip liner in Stallion. Oh my god. Oh, it's pigmented. I have to Makeup Revolution. So I'll pick the black shade. I'll put that on the outer and inner corner. So here is the final look. I applied my lashes off camera. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on any of my uploads, and make sure you share this video with your friends, your family, and everyone around you. I'll see you guys in my next video.